Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are very happy that you are listening today. This is a place where you can feel relaxed, calm, and comfortable while you practice English. You do not need to worry about making mistakes, because mistakes are part of learning. You can listen to us, repeat the words, and enjoy the conversation. John, I am really happy to talk with you today. How are you feeling right now?
Hello, Lily, and hello to all of our friends who are listening. I am feeling very good today, and I feel grateful that we can share this time together. I am relaxed and I feel ready to speak slowly and clearly so everyone can understand. Talking with you always makes me feel positive, and I hope our listeners feel the same. Thank you for asking. How are you feeling this morning?
I am feeling calm and peaceful today. When I woke up, I felt thankful for a new day and a new chance to learn something. I smiled, stretched my body, and took a deep breath before getting out of bed. I told myself that today would be a good day, and that helped me feel more confident and happy. What was your morning like when you woke up today?
My morning was quiet and comfortable. I woke up slowly and looked outside the window for a moment. The light was soft and the air felt fresh. I took a deep breath and felt thankful for a new day. Then I washed my face, brushed my teeth, and got ready for the day. Doing these small things helps me feel organized and calm. What did you do after you woke up?
After I woke up, I went to the kitchen and made a simple breakfast for myself. I cooked some rice and eggs, and I also prepared a cup of hot tea. While I was eating, I thought about my goals and reminded myself to practice English every day. Eating slowly and thinking positive thoughts made me feel peaceful and ready for the day. What did you eat for breakfast this morning?
I made a simple breakfast as well. I had some bread, fruit, and a cup of coffee. The coffee helped me feel awake, and the fruit gave me energy. I like to eat slowly in the morning and enjoy the quiet time before the day becomes busy. It is a small moment, but it helps me start the day in a good way. Do you like mornings, Lily?
Yes, I really like mornings because everything feels fresh and new. The air feels clean and the world feels calm. I like to sit quietly for a few minutes and think about what I want to do that day. Mornings give me hope and energy, and they help me feel ready to learn. What do you usually do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I like to take a short walk or stretch my body a little. It helps me feel active and clear my mind. Then I check my schedule and think about what I need to do. When I feel organized, I feel less stress and more confidence. After that, I begin my work or study. What do you usually do after breakfast?
After breakfast, I study English for a while. I listen to simple conversations, read easy stories, and repeat words out loud. Sometimes I write new words in a notebook so I can remember them better. Learning a little every day makes me feel proud of myself, even if I am slow. I know that small steps will help me improve. Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I really enjoy learning new things because it helps me grow and understand the world better. When I learn something new, I feel excited and motivated. Even when it feels difficult, I remind myself that practice will help me get better. Learning is a journey, and every day is a new chance to improve. What makes you feel motivated to learn English?
I feel motivated because I want to talk with people from different countries and understand them. I want to feel confident when I speak, even if my English is not perfect. Every time I learn a new word or understand a new sentence, I feel happy and proud. This feeling helps me keep going, even when it feels hard. Do you ever feel nervous when you speak?
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous, but I remind myself that it's okay to make mistakes. Everyone learns in their own way and at their own speed. When I feel nervous, I take a deep breath and continue speaking slowly. Confidence grows with practice, and every conversation helps me improve. What do you like to do in your free time?
In my free time, I like to listen to music, read simple books, and relax. Sometimes I go for a walk or talk with my family. These small moments help me feel happy and peaceful. I also like to practice English when I have time because it makes me feel productive and confident. What do you like to do when you have free time?
I like to walk in the park, listen to music, and watch movies with English subtitles. It helps me relax and learn at the same time. Spending time doing simple things makes me feel balanced and calm. I believe that enjoying life and learning together makes each day more meaningful.
I feel the same way. Thank you for sharing this conversation with me and with everyone listening. It makes me happy to talk and practice together.
That is beautiful, Lily. I feel the same way when I hear you speak. Your words remind me that learning is not about being perfect, but about trying every day. When I talk with you, I feel calm and hopeful, and I remember that small steps can lead to big changes.
Yes, I feel that learning English is not only about language, but also about believing in myself. When I practice, I feel stronger and more confident. I want everyone listening to feel the same courage inside their hearts.
That is a wonderful message. I want our listeners to know that they are doing great just by listening and trying. Every sentence you hear is a chance to grow. You are not alone, and you are never too late to learn.
I am so happy that we can share these moments together. Even through simple words, we can connect and understand each other. That makes learning feel warm and friendly.
Yes, I truly believe that when we speak with kindness and patience, learning becomes much easier and more enjoyable. Every small step you take brings you closer to your goal, even if you don't see it right away. When you listen, repeat, and try again, you are building confidence little by little, and that is something to be proud of.
That is so true, John. When I think about how far I have come, I feel proud and grateful. Even if I make mistakes, I know I'm learning. Each time I speak, I feel a little stronger and a little braver than before.
And that courage will help you in many parts of life, not only in English. Learning teaches us patience, hope, and belief in ourselves. Those feelings stay with us wherever we go.
Yes, I feel that too. I want everyone listening to remember that they are capable of learning and growing every day. You are never too old, and it is never too late to start.
We are happy you spent this time with us. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep believing in yourself.
Thank you for being part of our journey.
Goodbye, and see you again soon.